Don't ever say that again.
Shut up.
That's like me saying, I'm gonna roll with 4 GTs.
Oh, at least you got 4.
Are you seeing these right now, bro?
Yeah, dude.
How happy are you right now?
This is the new one.
This
is the one I
looks...
fucked with. This is the baby here. They got GTS too, the higher model.
This is so beautiful. This is 640 horse?
Well, if it's 15, it's actually 645.
Oh,
But yeah.
this is Viper Mania.
Yes, it is.
I actually love them all.
Yeah.
I like the way they're parked too.
See, originally I loved them as my favorite. Then it became this one, and now it's become this one. But it's kind of going back and forth between the old, maybe the SRTs, because it's when I worked for my uncle, that's what he had on the lot all the time, and that's the ones he'd be like, oh, you gotta get some.
I really love them all.
Yeah, they're all.
It's hard to choose.
Exactly. That's just the new one, so it's.
What's up, fam? Unfortunately, this is where the video kind of peaks and ends, is because we got kicked out of this meet. Just some tips out there for people that are going to car meets to make sure to be respectful. No revving, racing, no burnouts, no trash, no ruckus. I mean, people just got disrespectful, and some immature people, immature drivers, cost it for everybody. So make sure that when you go there, you are just cool and just chill and keep it respectful, and then you can enjoy a nice car meet. You know, race at the track, race in Mexico, and just, you know, enjoy the cars. All right, fam. Look forward to seeing some more videos of the Vipers soon. Peace.